Number 31, number 61, number 29, single 6, and number 63. Congratulations to all winners this afternoon for the rich draws. Alright, we're not wasting much time. We're moving on to the next one, which is the machine numbers. If you have your machine number tickets, that's right, I am talking to you because you're expecting 5 more numbers for this machine. If your numbers didn't come out at the winning, or you never can tell your luck might shine in our machine numbers. So best of luck, everyone. Okay, the button has been pressed. Let's go to the first number. Okay. And our first number for the machine, single 2. That's our first number. Second number for the machine this afternoon. Number 76. Our third number. Alright, now number 82. 2 more numbers to go for this machine this afternoon. Number 58. Number 58. And our last number. Alright. We have single 9. That's our 5 beautiful machine numbers. Our second chance numbers, everyone. Okay, I hope you predicted your numbers correctly. Now we're going to call the numbers one more time, so listen attentively. We have single 2 as our first number 76, number 82, number 58, and single 9. Congratulations to all our winners this afternoon for the rich draw. From the winning to the machine, big congratulations to every one of you. Alright, we want to talk about our second game. Yes, our instant game, one of the 36. As you play, the result comes out from a machine on the spot. It is instant. So visit our nearby agent and ask about the 1 out of 36 game. They'll explain it to you and you can play and win. So do tell your friends they don't want to miss out on the action of the 1 out of 36 game. Instant game. Alright everyone, we have come to to the end of our draw this afternoon. So big congratulations to all our winners. Now, if your numbers didn't come up for this our rich draw, don't lose hope easily, okay? Keep on trying because we have one